Hello everyone, this is Stock Market Daily. Thank you for joining me today. It is Friday, February 10th, 2023. And as always, this is not financial advice. Please don't copy any of my trading strategies because you will lose money. This is only for educational purposes. Okay, so we're coming off yesterday's earnings. Lyft did really bad. And we also had the CPI data was actually at 10 o'clock. Which was right here. That's why we had this drop. But we did have some disappointing earnings from, for example, Lyft. So that's possibly why we gapped down over here. Try to close the gap, which I guess you could say that we did right here. We guess we closed it and came back down. Hovered around this area, and that's when the data came out. Then decided that we're going to ignore it and rally up here, only to pull back down and hover around this unchanged kind of level for the entire duration of the day. And thankfully, at the end of the day, we had a little mini rally, which kind of pushed us for the new highs of the day and pretty much sold off slightly from here, which I was looking and waiting till the last minute to roll my positions. Speaking of the positions, let's take a look at them now. So basically, the 4070 level from yesterday that I entered, that expired worthless. I did enter only one position in the morning, and that was the call, which you see here at 4140. I was really looking for a little bit better breakout and breakout past this resistance level, this prior resistance level from days ago. And it didn't happen here. I entered the trade at 9:35. It didn't really, nothing really happened here. I was waiting for something to happen up until the data, but at this point, the premiums were kind of exhausted, and I didn't feel like I was going to collect a lot of money on opening up new trades here. Also, it is a Friday for the last 2 months almost, except one Friday we had positive days. So I wasn't going to place, open up any trades somewhere over here because I felt it was a little bit too risky. So if you remember from yesterday, I had some options that basically needed to be rolled over into Friday, which they were. This is one of them. They were throughout here, the exact levels I can give it to you in a second. But since the S&P didn't really do much today, I was able to roll them down, the strikes. So these are the new strikes and out. So these are now set up for Monday. So not terrible at all. We have one at 4100 that is the major kind of line, the resistance and support, one right above it, and one well out of the money for now. We'll see what happens on Monday. And that's it. I mean, it wasn't much of a day. A lot of things kind of sold off. A lot of my options expired. Weekly options expired worthless, which are the cover calls, which is great. So today, from just there's the only call that I sold, and these are credits from rolling the puts. So between all of these, there was an additional profit of $535, which is great for a day like today, and for the fact that I was essentially trapped. So yes, you do still make money if you're trapped in these levels right here in the money. When you roll them, hopefully you roll them for some kind of profit. Obviously, this one was the best one. I chose to keep it at 4100 over here because it is a major level, and these I just wanted to roll them down as much as possible without collecting the most possible. I could have obviously collected more. So that's that. The weekend is here. We had some interesting news come out about another object that was shut down over Alaska today, and hopefully that won't be any type of crazy event that will scare the market. So we'll be watching the futures over the weekend, and also if you like this content, please consider subscribing, give me a like, and I do these every single day. So, it would be really helpful for the YouTube algorithm to see a lot of you guys hit the like button. I really appreciate it. And that's it. Have a good weekend. We'll see you guys Monday. Thanks. Bye-bye.